Troubleshooting an LG refrigerator that is leaking from the back. If you have an LG French door refrigerator, side-by-side refrigerator, or top and bottom mount refrigerator, and you are seeing leaks behind the unit, from the back of the unit, from underneath, or from the back near the top, we'll go over some troubleshooting steps that may help you resolve the issue without a technician. This first step is for side-by-side refrigerators only. Does water appear to be leaking from the bottom left of the refrigerator? If so, it is likely coming from the water supply line fittings. In this case, you can reseat the water lines into the fittings, and it will stop the leaking. Open the left-hand door. Note that if the unit is equipped with a kick plate, the plate may need to be removed to expose the water lines. Inspect the white or blue tubing to see if there are two black lines marked on the tube near the fitting. If you see two black lines marked on the tube, push the water line into the fitting until only one line is partially visible. That should do it. Now, for all refrigerator types, to determine where the leak is coming from, we'll need to inspect areas on the back of the unit. Roll the refrigerator away from the wall so the back is exposed. Check the upper water line connection on the back of the refrigerator. Do you feel any moisture around the water line or fitting? If so, check the line as it inserts into the fitting. Only one black line marked on the tube should be visible. If you can see two lines marked on the tube, push the water line into the fitting until only one line is partially visible. If the line at the fitting is fine, do you see any damage such as cracks or splits in the water lines that run along the back of the refrigerator? If the water lines are damaged, then the unit will require a repair service. Turn off the home saddle valve to stop the leak until a technician can correct the issue. If there is no damage to the water lines, check the water line connection near the bottom of the refrigerator. Inspect where the home water line connects to the back of the refrigerator. Do you see or feel any moisture in that area? If so, make sure the compression nut is tight and that the leak is not coming from the refrigerator pilot valve. If the connection is fine, inspect the water line that connects to the back of the refrigerator for any damage, such as cracks or splits. If you see any damage to that line, turn off the water at the home saddle valve. The water line between the home saddle valve and the back of the refrigerator will need to be replaced. A new home water line can be purchased from a local appliance store. If the line is not damaged, inspect near the home saddle valve to see if you can detect any leakage. Do you see or feel moisture in this area? If so, turn off the water at the home saddle valve. It may be necessary to contact a local plumber to fix the leak. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.